And then if it's unclear, you should be able to again ask, why am I needed in this meeting? Di ba? And it shouldn't offend anyone to ask that question. I think it's an important question. Lalo na pag hindi clear. Kasi hindi mo naman itatanong yun pag klaro sa'yo why you're in that meeting. And in many organizations, in fact, I have a TikTok video that trended. I have a TikTok video that trended on that. No, yung meeting after meeting after meeting, yung meeting that should have been an email, meeting na and then people are complaining about how it's killing their time, their productivity. When they're in a meeting, they don't even know why. Pero baka importante sila doon sa meeting na yon. Unfortunately, they're not able to ask. So it was not clarified. So, pagka hindi malinaw sa iyo yung objective mo, o yung reason kung bakit nandun ka sa meeting na yun, how do you participate productively? Di ba? So, questions like that should not offend us. Why am I needed in this meeting? Because I have this thing that I need to prioritize.